Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hard-boiled eggs in the air fryer. Place eggs in the basket, set temperature to 270 degrees F, and cook for 15 minutes for firm yolks. After cooking, transfer eggs to an ice bath for at least 8 minutes to stop cooking and make peeling easier. Gently crack and roll each egg to loosen the shell, then peel under running water for the cleanest result. Want precise texture? Start with 15 minutes at 270 degrees F for reliable firm yolks and adjust from there. If you prefer a creamier center, try 13 minutes and evaluate one egg before committing to the whole batch. Remember that egg size and air fryer model change timing slightly, so make small tweaks and keep notes. Let eggs rest in an ice bath for 8 to 10 minutes to halt cooking and simplify peeling. Quick recommendation: treat your feet like your eggs and go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for socks that just keep going. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe to support more easy kitchen tips and clever shortcuts. I dropped the link in the description along with other deals, so check that out if interested. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Peeling shouldn't be a headache. Crack the shells all over and peel under cold running water to slide off bits cleanly. If possible, use eggs that are a few days old because they peel more predictably than very fresh eggs. Start at the wider end where the air pocket forms and gently work the shell away while rinsing. With the ice bath and these tricks, you'll get neat, ready-to-eat eggs every time for salads and snacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.